Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day because I'm going to be installing the most anticipated mod on this 2014 Audi R8 Spyder. Now, which mod am I talking about? We'll have to go with a little backstory. When the Audi R8 first came out, it had a signature design feature, the sweeping blade on the side of the car. While many didn't love this design at first, over the years, it became the unique feature for the Audi R8 and it was instantly noticeable because no other car had it. Unfortunately, when they made the Spyder version, they cut the top off, but they also entirely cut off the side blade. As you can see behind me here, there is no side blade on the convertible version. What you're left with is this little side vent air intake, which doesn't look that great. So today we're gonna be installing a carbon fiber blade to go over this part over here to add back the side blade that was cut off from the convertible. And this is the first of its kind because this particular part has never been created aftermarket. There's a company out there called German Rush making this part, and I'll be one of the first people to actually install this on my car, which makes me very excited. I stand corrected on that one. I remember that Mansory actually makes an aftermarket part for this, but guess how much it costs? Wait for it. $5,000. $5,000 for this piece. This is insane. No one's gonna pay that much. German Rush is making it for much less, which is why I will be getting it for my car. Without further ado, let's head over to German Rush and get this side blade installed.
A few moments later.
Martin just did the wrap here on the side blade. It looks really good already, but as you get close, you see that's just a wrap and doesn't look as good as the actual side blade. We're gonna be adding that on top of this wrap and it's gonna look sick. So we got 3M tape on the top and bottom of the vents, and it just slips onto the intake here. Now we're adding the mesh onto the vent. ¿Lo pego?
Ya, ves, pégalo.
Sick. That is nice. Woo!
Now the moment of truth is door
Let's see door sets. let's see. I'll do the honors. All right, slowly. Oh, it's a success.
Perfect.
No touching.
Oh, you see? More gap.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, that's a nice cabin.
That is freaking awesome.
Yeah.
All right, we finished installing the vents and the mesh. We brought the car out to the sunlight, and let me show you what it looks like. It looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. Almost looks OEM to me. And the vent's so wide, it almost looks like a Lamborghini vent. That is sick.
Honestly, side splitters with V8 side splitters are way better.
Finally got the side blades. I'm so happy I got them installed. I think they look incredible. Shout out to Louis from German Rush and his team for making this vent possible. It's definitely a great upgrade to the Spyder. Hardworking team. They took a long time to make this and definitely a lot of work went into it. And I think it's worth every penny. That's it for this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future content. I hope you enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.